Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. It's a beautiful day for baseball. It's opening day. This is Michael K. I've never eaten soup and I've never gotten my dick sucked from the back. Today, we're celebrating a historical moment in Yankees history. The first Dominican pitcher to ever start on opening day, Luis Severino. I feel like he's going to be dominant. What do you think, Sue?
I'm a woman. I shouldn't really be commenting on baseball.
I agree. I also have never eaten soup. I have a show where I sit down with old white people from New York and talk bullshit about, nonsense for an hour. But enough of that. Let's go out to the field where we have somebody throwing out the first pitch. I have no idea who it is.
It's me, you asshole. It's Detective Prosciutto. I ran back into a building on that blaze on 187th Street. Saved
Go
a
get
couple
him,
Puerto
Vinny.
Ricans. Yeah, saved a couple Puerto Ricans, So
He's a good guy.
They're honoring me with
Blue Lives Matter, not none of that brown shit.
Yeah, exactly. They're honoring me. I'm able to throw out the first pitch here. I'm very happy to be a part of this organization and this
27 rings, bro.
That's right.
Before the blacks was allowed in, too. Those count the most.
Yeah, those are the best ones.
Those
are my
untarnished,
favorites. No diamonds, no bling bling or whatever the fuck you guys call it. All right, so here we go. I'm here for the windup.
Well, we have a fan running on the field.
Who the fuck is that?
Who
Hey,
is
Vinny,
running
watch
on the
your
field?
12. There's someone behind you. Whoa,
Hey,
buddy, where you going?
Hey,
Get over here.
Dad, you
get over
fucking
here.
pig. Dad, you fucking pig. I hate your guts.
Dad.
Dad.
Oh, shit. Is that Michael Anthony?
Yeah, it's me, you fucking garbage bags. Listen, my fucking guts hurt.
Vinny, your son.
I just came here because they said there was a lot of Dominicans here. I need a bag.
Michael
Julio's not
Anthony.
picking up my
Michael
calls.
Anthony, you're ruining opening day. What are you doing?
I don't give a fuck.
Michael Anthony, get off the field.
Listen, the only Yankees...
You're ruining the pie with Prince Stripes. What are you doing?
The only Yankees I root for is the Staten Island Yankees.
Oh my God, what would Lou Gehrig think?
Oh shit, Julio's calling me. Oh my God.
Get off the
episode
field.
106. Episode 106 of the Most Illustrious Podcast. I finally got my bag. Thank God. My guts are gonna stop hurting. Fucking do the drop. Episode 106, Bodega Boys. Oh, my guts. They're getting ready to get fucking... Oh, I feel so good already. I can't wait to take this dope shit later in Penn Station.
Live from Red Bull Studios, New York.
Oh, these intros are getting more and more. Well, we have to decide. Are we going to do a podcast? We're going to do these intros, or are we doing the AKAs? We can break this into 3 fucking podcasts.
Look how much content you niggas get for free.
How much content? Yo, what?
Damn.
Our content is Victor's hair. It's just so much.
So luxurious.
Voluptuous. Hey, baby. Talk to them one time.
Yeah.
Talk to me nice. Podcast to me nice.
Yeah.
Episode 106. No
right.
Park.
You know what I mean?
Coming to you live for 212 from 220 West 18th Street.
Yeah,
I believe.
yeah,
That's the 212. You know what I'm saying? Coming from OBCC. You know what I'm saying?
You know
Only
what I'm
niggas
saying?
record a podcast in Rikers.
You know what I'm saying?
I boof the microphone.
That's right, nigga. Shit's in my jail wallet, nigga. That's why the sound quality sounds
Sound
a little
quality is shit.
muffled.
Fucking Hasan had to make a control board out of like tissue and shit. Yeah. As always, this is the most dangerous podcast in the world. The Bodega
right.
Boys, you know what it is.
You know what I'm saying?
Welcome to you live from 220 West 18th Street. It's bright and early on a Friday morning. You probably listen to this on a Monday.
Yeah.
Enjoy your content. You probably just woke up this morning like, where's the art? Where's the art? It's here.
It's here,
It's
nigga.
here.
Here, take that.
It's here. We came
Take
like
that.
the UPS guy. We came to your door and did a... And then ran off.
And then ran off. I left a note like, yo, I left
no
the
one was
package.
home. I rang the bell 2 times. No one was home.
No one's home. So I left your fucking $800 package right in front of your doorstep.
You open the door and you just like, I'm like, yo, how did that UPS truck do the Tesla 0 to 60 in 5 seconds? She got the burnout mark from Back to the Future.
I'm like, yeah, what the fuck? Nigga,
Just the
Doc
license
is driving
plate,
this shit.
license plate just spinning between some flames.
Marty, we have to go drop off some more packages.
Yo, it's your boy Desus Nice, aka Desus Vice, aka Young Chipotle, aka Pocket Say Fat Material, aka Chris Stassworth Sling Dick, Eli Lippy, some of them might know you, but Young Day Party, Young Hot Take, DJ Tay Fuego, Mr. Nanas Dorado, 1974 in Nueva York, Mikel going off the Juve boss, MC Local Kumpi, put up for 40 with Shorty, aka Don't Talk to Me in the Uber pool.
I have no idea who you are.
That's right. I'm not here to make friends.
No.
I'm an introvert. The original, my +1 got a +1, so don't make a fuss, son. These are Rossi and Jamaican Jew. Is it still Purim? I don't know. I'm a bad Jew.
Hey,
bad
you
Jew,
know,
bad Jew. What you gonna do? What what you gonna do when they time for you. You'll see. Jermaine Avocado Toast, Young Pa, the Goose Mufasa, Young Chakuni out the cornery, aka Chile Limon, left-handed reliever for the Yankees. Okay. Remember that opening day when my arm was tired from masturbating?
Yeah, Papi, boy, you did it. You did your thing.
I had the dead arm. You know?
Yeah.
It felt like a stranger reaching around.
You was a knuckleballer for real that day, Papi.
Hey, that's not banter. Hey, Vice K. Makuzaka, 3-Phone Jones, these ex machina, he chuckles, Stanley Cups, the human Dr. Bond is labeled, Dilo. Leonardo Trapio, Mr. 240, because I like my Pinot Blanc. Yeah, nasty like that. I can't tell if that's keloids, stretch marks, or a tattoo.
Don't matter.
Still getting this nut out
what I'm saying?
on my compact. DJ Woolite, aka listening to Wash FM. Up next, we got Positive K.
Oh my God.
I got a man.
What your man got to do with me?
I got a man. That was like.
I'm not trying to hear that, see?
He was like proudly doing street harassment.
Yeah, he's like,
yo, I don't care if you got a man. We're going to do 4 minutes of this, bitch.
Fuck that.
I'm
going to chase you down for the road
Your
for 4
man ain't
minutes.
here. I'm here now, and I'm trying to get his property.
That's just street harassment remix over a beat for 4 minutes.
Everybody just have neon colors of the clothes. Like, yeah, street harass me, daddy. Yeah. The Curry Goat, DJ Spicer, Jamal Hashburn, the Bronx Celine Dion nephew. Celine Dion, excuse me.
Yes.
I just got verklempt because my heart will go on.
Yes, it will.
One time, wherever backwards are. The human Moreno, you cannot contain him. The human memory, word the job. Young Era on the race of provocateur. Hedwig Bloodcoast, Nelson Mandela. Sergio can't see me, Vladimir Buffin. The human Werther's melting in your mouth. Mr. Bex on deck. Tim Squeaky Chicky Squabby. Greg Popovich, more say with your chestnut. Mahatma Gandhi. Not Maccabee, but I got the cucumber. The juice suppressed what your boy never is. I am the art, damn it, I am! I'll say as they drag me off stage. I don't have a pass. I am the art.
He's seizing.
The Dundada Ganoush. No more cup of noodles. The Prince of Peckham, yeah. The Fashion Nova Casanova. William H. Cent, $10 Forget the small change. Give me big money. It's a mad.
On the big yacht party stage.
Just mad colorful Caribbean money coming out the ATM. I'm like, we're rich. I have like $500 in my thing. It's worth $5. Can't even take it to currency exchange. The only anthem I salute is what? Dipset. Free jewels.
You know what I'm saying?
Mr. Sager, catch me at square one, top left.
Yo,
Man's Marv.
Yo, don't cheese me, bro.
You see how many mans went bad on me? Such a shame. True Rizzuto, holy cow. Mr. Soft Pops, all I do is count checks and jerk off.
Yeah.
We got OJ, Purple Stuff, Soda, and
what else?
it's me, Sonny D. Hello. David, these expensive, these are red bottom, these bloody shoes. Mokeem Noah. Andrew Cool. That's right. Put on a little 80s music and let's have gay sex.
Yeah, hit you with the butt plug and then plug you.
You know what it is. AKA the energy god. Come sit down, plug your phone, pound me charger.
Yes.
Mr. Chopness, PD's you the bad beats like I'm easy, please believe me. The black idiot addict truck you back like an automatic craftmatic. Mr. La Marina and the Mess Marina with fresh misdemeanor and a cold demeanor. AKA your Protomatic Bay. Put a little Hennessy on your newborn's gums and make sure they're a real nigga with teeth.
They're right. They'll go right back to sleep and then they'll wake up and want to fight you.
They'll wake up in an Averex with the fucking 20-inch cable on them. Talking to Dun phonics.
Dun language. You know what I'm saying?
Yo, I'm hungry Dun. What's poppin' Dun?
Yo, what's poppin' Dun? I need that Jack Mac Dun. Yo, light my cigarette with a battery, nigga. You know what I'm saying? Yo, it's your boy, the Kid Mero, a.k.a. the Human Durag Flap, a.k.a. Curve Gotti, a.k.a. Triz Khalifa. You know what I'm saying? A.k.a. Skirt. Load out, hop the curb and hit it, baby. I don't care. A.k.a. I know fucking baby, I fucking mang. You know what I'm saying? A.k.a. check the guest list again. I'm on it right there, right next to Shaq Griffin. Be hand to God. Dead ass. Check again, my nigga. You know what I'm saying? I spent more money on my daughter's first birthday than your parents did on your fucking house because I'm the fucking the dad of the year.
Talk that talk.
You know what I'm saying? A.k.a. Big Smack Biombo, a.k.a. Dick in your baby mutombo. You know, come with this pussy no more, my nigga, because this pussy belong to who? Me, motherfucker.
Can I at least visit it?
No.
Damn.
Stay outside, or you bring me 20 goats and I will allow you back in the pussy. Okay. AKA Baller Santana, so smooth, I fall asleep at the wheel and cause a 4-car pileup.
That's not smooth at all.
That's not. Except for when I get out and run. AKA the Dominican Dandana, the Dykeman Daddy, Duro Dímelo. AKA Romeo Santos. So Zanny, let me find out. Bring the big girls on stage so I can fall asleep on her while she's sucking me off. AKA Lionel Dutchy. Hello, is it weed you're looking for? I can see it in your eyes that your broke ass ain't got 5, and you didn't even bring me no curl activator.
How
nigga,
you
neither?
got 5?
Damn, bro.
Like if I have 5, I'm not even leaving my house.
Yeah,
man.
like don't stay in the crib, bro. Phone passes was $3 like 8 years ago, man. Like, grow up. AKA Tom Brady, your girl got my balls deflated, but I don't care because I'm on the TB12 regimen. AKA feel the ass Tyson. I'm trying to explore your cosmos, ma.
A.K.A. Friday Messi, MVP of Gelato. You know what I'm saying? I smoke till I can't see. A.K.A. Zenio Bedingfield. I gotta get some sticks. I gotta get some sticks. A.K.A. Joe Hookah. Catch me uptown. I dare you to smoke with me at Mama Sushi. And if you see me at Agua Roja, nigga, you don't know me. A.K.A. Ben Boston. With the precision of a Swiss wristwatch, I'll replace your legs with little stumps and your arms with a toolkit so you can stay low and build, nigga. You know what I'm saying? A.K.A. I open your medicine cabinet. You know who it is, man. It's the Zed, man. A.K.A. Rico Sabroso. A.K.A. Baby Newport 2 for 5. Niggas got them garbage down the way. A.K.A. Nino Brown. I shut the car down. A.K.A. East Tremont B. Live at Osvaldo's Barbershop on East Tremont. I'll be opening the door for customers and singing my greatest hits. I want to be the one your DD is looking. A.K.A. from across the pond, mate, you know it is, bro. You know what I'm saying? It's the plantains you've been over in the sky. One day you will find me smoking weed on Tremont, wearing NBA jeans with a bottle of Brugal.
That's visual.
You know what I'm saying? Look into the crystal ball, nigga. A.K.A. pulling it from 40, it's your boy Barmelos Anthony.
For 3.
Bang!
They're still down by 20.
Yeah, well, fuck it. If you see me at Target eating a personal Pizza Hut pan pizza like a high raccoon, approach me like a fucking Ursine mammal, nigga. I may react erratically. A.K.A. I sold fake lean to your favorite SoundCloud rapper, nigga. He's high off Glade plug-in juice and Sunny Delight talking about, I'm a boss. Like I said, I like my salad toast. Hasan, tírame la pizza, coño. ¿Qué fue? Llega el gente de FIFA, coño, el calentón, el Real Greti. No invente con este coro de millonario que tu apartamento cabe en mi baño, maldita rana. Deja de estar de lambón y busca lo tuyo que yo tengo lo mío. Le llegaste. La envidia no mata, pero mortifica. Tumba eso, palomón. Envidioso, envidioso, envidioso.
That sounds like a good song.
Yeah. Vámonos por detrás. Hijo tu maldita madre. Episode 106, nigga, let's go.
Let's get it. Let's get it. Hey, shout out to Rhode Island.
Yo, shout out to Rhode Island.
Crushed the buildings, you know what I'm saying?
Shout out to Lil Xan.
Shout out to the Bucket versus Southside. You know what I'm saying? We was out there heavy.
I said shout out to Lil Xan like he's from Rhode Island.
I don't know. Listen, we at the point now, we don't, the brand's so strong, we don't need it. We always said facts don't matter. We're literally at the point now, facts don't matter.
At all.
We could go on TV and say whatever.
Whatever, nigga.
We're like Sarah Huckabee. We're the Sarah Huckabee of the hood.
Yeah, that's
say
right.
whatever. If you jump up and down after sex, the sperm gets confused and you can't get pregnant.
Call it Sarah Chuckabee, you know what I'm saying?
You gotta cut your face. Sarah Chuckaboo.
Yeah.
Imagine her having the press conference after. She's like, yes, the president was dead ass when he said that. Yes. That's straight facts, B.
Yo, straight facts. Word to my Tims. Like, this nigga was not a fucking lying.
Yo, that's on blood. We're definitely going to do the North Korean alliance.
You already know. We ride the 5.
We just want to end the day with say, God bless America and free wobbles.
Boom. I just want to say the president is capo status.
Ballin'! Woo! Lots of stuff happened this week. Has anything happened this week that actually affected us?
I feel like as our trajectory increases,
Nah.
less shit affects us.
I'd be like, yo, we're going to talk about a podcast today. And then I'm like, us.
That's right. That's right. Get your dick flute because it's time for the solo portion.
Open your cases, people.
Do A B C D E. This is a couple of B's from Bodega Boys.
B major. You know what I'm
Excuse me, Scott. What are you doing back there? You have to lick the reed. Make sure it's wet for the dick flute solo.
Come
okay.
on, stop playing.
If it's not moist, you don't get the best dick flute solo.
Dude, we got to pull the foreskin back.
You don't want a dry dick flute solo.
No.
It's playing like, it's like boo.
And you don't have to be gentle either. You can be a little rough. You know what I'm saying?
Hit all them buttons.
You know what I'm saying?
You know what I'm saying?
Bite the shit a little bit.
Be like someone giving head with braces. Just get your fucking corns shredded up like
Shout out to Deontay Wilder who came on the show and apparently has braces and is a boxer.
Yeah.
I don't know you can have braces and be a boxer. Isn't that dangerous?
If you're a boxer, you can do whatever you want. Who gonna check you?
Yeah, that's true, yeah.
I'm sure the dentist was probably like, you can't have it. He just punched the dentist in the face.
He punches the dentist in the face.
Shit said. What's wrong with you?
Bomb squad! He just knocked the dentist out. Like, he's like, sorry, Dr. Bornstein.
Oh. Did you hear the new Cardi track?
I haven't, but I'm excited to hear it because I wanted to play it in the car, but I'm in my Accord that has broken speakers.
So sad.
So I don't want to play it over
sad.
a fucking Bluetooth speaker that's hanging from my rearview mirror. I need to experience it while smacked in my basement and like THX audio.
I mean, you gotta.
Does it slap?
It's a song a girl probably wrote about you 10 years ago.
Oh, I can't wait.
What you did to me, to you a few times, but if I did decide to slide, find a nigga, fuck him, suck his dick. You would have been pissed, but that's not my MO. I'm not that type of bitch.
Oh.
The karma for you is gonna be who you end up with. Don't make me sick, nigga. I adore. I gave you everything was mine is yours.
Ooh.
I want you to live your life, of course.
Sing it, girl.
I hope you get what you dying for.
Damn.
Listen, we support all things Cardi B.
Yeah,
That's
okay.
definitely Shorty. She's going through her emotions on the platform at Jackson Avenue. Like, I'm so tired of this nigga shit.
Wow.
She called up her best friend that used to walk on the street with her when she was pregnant and walk with her to the store and shit. The homegirl that always hangs around a pregnant chick in the hood. And she's like, yo, let's go fuck this nigga up. This nigga not answering the phone.
Yo.
Let's go right to his house.
Yo, fuck that.
She called him like, yo, FaceTime your shit. Let me see who's in your house.
Who's in your
He's
house?
like, yo, nah, I got
Show
no
me
Wi-Fi.
everything.
I don't got no Wi-Fi.
I don't know. Shut the fuck up.
I'm so
Shut up,
tired of
nigga.
your shit.
I set up a personal hotspot for you, nigga.
She's just going through
So
it.
that you always have fucking Wi-Fi, you liar.
Shout out to my homegirls going through it. Also, this sounds like a direct message to Offset.
Oh,
so that's why it's uncomfortable. Like like when you at a dinner and like a couple start fighting, you're like So I mean to interrupt because you passed me the brisket.
Because yeah,
Y'all niggas fighting by the lamb.
y'all
niggas is hungry.
Yeah, can y'all chill?
I mean, like clearly this is a problem y'all have outside this whole dinner party. So why don't y'all just put it off to that? You know what I'm saying? Niggas just trying to enjoy Passover.
Just trying to enjoy Passover, B. Like, I seen you in the car for 20 minutes arguing beforehand. Like, yeah, I could have.
And y'all wasn't doing that quiet arguing. Like the car was moving, but y'all was sitting there.
Yeah, come on.
A lot of hand clapping, and she's white. So I don't know what's going on.
I don't understand what's going on. The windows is foggy. Like, what's happening here?
Calling each other by their first names, but very strange. Yeah, would you like some more brisket, Jeff?
Sure, Cheryl.
Thank you.
Here, enjoy
you.
it. I hope you don't choke to
It's great
death.
to be cordial around people.
Yeah.
It's great to be nice for a little bit of time.
Sure is. Wish you wouldn't be so fucking nasty. I mean, wish people weren't so fucking nasty all
If
the
you
time.
have something to say, you can say it right here. I don't give a fuck
Well,
if
you
it's
know
Passover.
what? I don't want to offend.
Say it in front of Elijah.
I don't want to offend Grandma Saul. Okay, so I'm going to keep my mouth shut. But we are going to have it out when we get back to our condo. We're going to have it out.
Meanwhile,
okay, Jeffrey.
Grandpa Saul was like, well, I mean, while we're here,
I mean,
has anyone heard the new Cardi B track? It slaps.
It slaps. I don't know
When she hits the Lauryn Hill rendition, I was like, oh wow,
it's amazing, and it wasn't even late.
Wow.
Get it? That was the Lauryn. I bet you didn't know that Uncle Mo Soul knew that.
It was making me a little crazy. Excuse me, that's problematic. It was making me a little brazy.
Brazy.
Listen, Uncle Saul's with the shits. Let me show you my Supreme collection.
Hey, come here.
I got the Supreme Cativer. I beat you to it, nigga. How you feel? How you feel? I'm in your head. Nah, but Supreme for real. If you make them Cativers, like hook us up, bro.
Hook us up, bro.
Imagine how cool we come on stage, got the Supreme Cativer right
Cabinet
there.
shit, like,
we just do the show for 3 hours.
I'm
And
doing my
I'm like,
dick
I'm
out,
peeing
like,
right now. And the
no,
crowd's
yo.
like, woo!
Yeah.
They're like, yo, is he gonna pee in a dead stock Supreme Cativer?
Yo.
What a flex.
Yo, what a flex. He's peeing in it.
Wait till we in the senior citizen home with Wild Hype Beast. I got a dead stock fresh out the box Yeezys.
Oh, man. The Supreme dead bedpan and shit.
I got phone posit teeth.
I got fucking flying in foreskin and shit. Like,
I'm like, yo, come here. You want to see some fly shit?
Yeah.
Over my chest, I got a Vapor Max pacemaker.
Yo, look at that, nigga. Pow, hold
Like,
that.
it's very light. You can barely even see it.
Yo, Tinker designed this shit.
Yo,
nigga.
it's 101.
Holla.
It just says pacemaker in quotes. I'm like, it's off white. It's off white because my heartbeat is off sync.
Shit don't even work. It's like Virgil's like, yo, show us a scam.
It's just for appearances. I was like, nah. They're like, it's not gonna save you. I'm like, but the clout.
The clout will keep me alive.
Like, I don't want no regular pacemaker, nigga. What is that? A Jumpman pacemaker?
Fuck out of here,
Shit
nigga.
whack.
Yo, niggas give me the Paul George pacemaker.
What is that? General Release? Come on, man. That shit ain't popping.
Yo, niggas give me the fucking Vin Baker fucking pacemaker. Yo. Who is on the Team Jordan roster?
Probably gonna be us. Yeah, we gotta take back everything we said.
Yo.
T Jordan, who's on the Team Jordan roster?
Westbrook? Russ Westbrook?
CP3,
Right.
Melo.
Okay.
Who's on
Kwame
it?
Brown. He's still on it. That nigga's on the water boy now at this point.
Drake was on it.
Oh shit.
No, he had a pair. Well, LaMarcus Aldridge.
Bum.
Vin Baker.
Bum.
Marvin Harris.
Bum.
Andre Ward.
Bum.
Stephen Jackson.
Bum.
Jimmy Butler. All right. Earl Thomas.
Kind of bum.
Joe Johnson.
Earl Thomas?
Yes.
Is that the janitor at my junior high school nigga? Who the fuck? Like that nigga got a
The
pair?
NFL's highest paid safety. Joe
shit.
Johnson.
Okay, shout out to him.
Mike Bibby.
Oh shit, yo, the white
Oh
wonder.
shit! Put some respect on his name. Quentin Richardson.
Oh shit.
shit.
Yeah, I can't see me, but I'm doing those little weird
Richard
devil horn
Hamilton.
things.
I don't want to be honest.
Okay, all right, that's enough.
Cece.
She's like this.
Cece's on joint. Hey, you got no checks though.
Yeah,
He
hell
like
yeah.
just white with checks fine. Yeah. How you feel? Listen, the right check, you be like whatever. Everyone that worked on Roseanne right now, they're not checking their Twitter, they're not checking their Instagram, their voicemails like you sold out the Jewish religion.
Yo, how dare you?
But you know what? They ignore that. They look at that SAG check like,
Yeah, boy. Reunion, nigga.
Every time they hear that harmonica noise, like, they're starting with Roseanne, they're like, yeah, ching ching.
Yeah, John Goodman jerks off to that shit.
Like that shit was so lazy. They was like, yo, we're bringing back Roseanne. Niggas was like, yo, you can't because the father died. They was like, we don't give a fuck, nigga.
Bring
the
that nigga
father
back.
back and make her mad racist.
Yeah.
Niggas gonna eat it up.
I didn't even remember he died. What did he have? A heart attack? Or
He
some
died
shit?
of a heart attack, but if you remember Roseanne, the show went to shit like 2 seasons before it ended because she won the lottery. And they stopped
that's
being
right.
poor and they
Right.
lived in a wild house. And then they did a season, which is the laziest thing you can do in writing, where the whole season was a dream.
Oh, that's the worst. That's
on.
why I hated
That's
Lost.
how you ended. That's how you ended like a writing project in high school.
Yeah,
At
like,
the end, you was just like, and I woke up and it was all a dream, and everyone was like,
Whoa,
whoa,
plot twist.
wow, you could be like the next Bow Wow.
Fam, I watched, how many seasons was Lost? 6? 7?
I never got into it, but
Bro, there was like 7 seasons of that
six
shit.
seasons.
6 seasons
listen,
of that shit.
my
And
sister used to watch
yo,
it, and I was like, yo, this shit can't be good.
I'm like, what is gonna happen?
I was like, there's a trapdoor, there's a polar bear.
Yo, it's a smoke monster. Like, there's a secret village. Yo, is this guy bad? Yo, this guy's a dope fiend.
Now that we
Yo.
are in the industry, we understand what happened with Lost. People wrote a script, and niggas was like, yo, this shit is genius. It was like, we got it.
Yeah.
They got their money, wrote a couple more episodes. Didn't expect the shit to blow up. And then, like, around season
like,
3, they was like, what you got for us? They was like, nigga, I did not expect to be this far into this shit. They be like, so imagine they come across Google Maps, but it's in Portuguese.
Yeah. And they built a plane out of coconuts. They're like, nigga, that's Gilligan's Island.
Nah, so basically what happens is, like, one of the niggas gotta, like, I don't know, he gotta fuck a pig, and everyone on the island gotta watch it. And like they
Nigga, that's Black Mirror.
damn. Okay, all right. Nah, so all right, so check it. It's like this young girl. They find this young girl on the island.
Okay, tell me
and like
more.
her father is just her and her father.
Okay.
And her father is Flex Alexander, and
Okay, you got
like
me.
his best friend works at a car place, and you know she's like, damn, daddy, and it's called One on One. It's called One on One. It was on UPN. I'm sorry, right now I just.
God damn. I was like, I didn't even get that reference. Go, motherfucker, you almost sold me on that. You
All right,
shouldn't
no.
have-
All right,
shouldn't have-
I got a good one this time. I got a good one.
Good.
All right, they go to the far side of the island.
Okay.
And who was there?
Who?
The queen of the island.
Okay, who's the
played
queen?
by Monique.
Oh, shit.
And they go, what are your demands? And she goes, bring me the head of Professor Ogilvy. Stay with me.
I'm with you. Where's Countess in all this?
Oh, she's like the ambassador. And
She's like, "Hi."
she's like, dang, mama. Did they have
Dang, mama, catchphrases?
yes. Did they have what do you call it? The Parkers in Wakanda? Because if you think about Wakanda had they don't have black television in Wakanda. All the TV is black.
They had
all
guns in Wakanda.
No, they did, Killer Mike. All right? You're going to make me throw out my One Run the Jewels album that I got at the Bernie Sanders rally. Excuse me.
Yeah.
RTJ. Yeah. No, all the shows on Wakanda, like every bad show that's ever been created comes on regularly in Wakanda.
Wakanda?
And they just think it's regular TV. And then every now and then they have Whitish in Wakanda, and people is like mad controversial.
Like, oh, shit. Well, what if we made a show called Blackish? How bad would y'all
Why
be?
do we need a show called Whitish? You know how White History Month in Wakanda must be so uncomfortable and shit?
Man, it's just mad mayonnaise and Wonder Bread.
They're like, look at this interloper. He invented calling the cops. They're like, yes.
It's incredible. Here we have Jeffrey Tambor, creator of the Noise Complaint.
Wow.
Yeah.
This is white culture.
White history.
Ooh. Speaking of white history, shout out to Yankees.
Yeah.
Yeah, buddy. 27 rings. You know
That's
what it
right,
is.
pal.
The only time you'll see me drunkenly with my arm around an off-duty cop saying the N-word.
He's like, can I say it too?
I was like, you said it first. That's what I'm saying. AD, you know, Sicilians were the niggers of Europe. I'm like, I don't understand why we're bringing this up right now.
I know why.
I was just trying to get my way to the dugout to pay $8 for Heineken.
Come on, man.
And have some girl call me Lakeith Sanfield. You're like, no, that's
the guy from Get Out. That's not even close. But
oh my God, it's John Bodega. I was like,
no.
You messed up the name. He's British and no.
I would have just went with that one. I would have been like, yes, it is, mate.
Yeah.
Would you like to
Let me smash for nil.
nibble upon my peck, eh? Can I touch your fanny?
Oh yes. Who is your doppelganger? If you were to do the Kid Mero movie right now, who would play you? That's
man.
not related to you. Sinbad?
Either Sinbad or Mark Anthony. But Mark Anthony got to hit the weight room and like, you know what I'm saying? Like eat mad pernil before he gets on. But I don't know how. I think he's like 5'2" though, so he probably couldn't be.
All right. I mean, you really think you sexy enough now that Gabriel Iglesias can't play you?
Enrique Iglesias. Oh
No,
yeah.
Gabriel Iglesias.
Gabriel Iglesias? Nah, that
Mr.
nigga's
Fluffy?
That nigga's too fat. Did he die?
Yo, he's alive. I'm looking at him right now.
Oh, who's the fat nigga that died? Damn, I'm feeling mad bad saying that.
He was the winner of the first season of Last Comic Standing. Ralphie May. Oh, Ralphie May.
yeah,
Rest in peace, Ralphie May.
R.I.P. to that nigga.
Check me on the season though. Oh, I'm a bum. Yeah, he died on October 6th.
Damn, homie.
Damn.
R.I.P. dog.
Oh,
I
wow.
mean, listen.
At age 16, 42 of his bones were broken in an automobile accident. Wow.
What? Oh, that's all he got big pun fat. I thought he was just like.
Nah, it didn't say anything had to do with that, but it's just, you know.
I mean, you assume.
Yeah.
You know. Big
Damn, that gotta suck.
Well, dying? Yeah.
Yeah.
Dying sucks.
Yeah. He actually lost mad weight because of he had pneumonia.
He had pneumonia?
Damn, he had
That's all you gotta do
an
to get
embolism. He almost died mad times.
Damn, nigga.
Oh, man.
Why you still going on stage, bro? I would have retired, nigga.
Had 2 kids.
Damn. Why fat niggas always die of heart attacks?
Because they're fat. What the fuck? Like,
I'm like, I'm not an RN.
what do you think you just came to like a correlation no one thought about? The American Heart Society was like, holy shit, they're doing the gift, like, oh, the Weebay gift, like, yo.
Oh shit, cholesterol,
You think
nigga.
these fat niggas is dying because they fat?
Oh shit,
Damn.
B.
Mero was gonna get like a medal for this
Yeah,
shit.
with Nobel fucking Prize and Peabody Award and
You
shit.
gonna come
like,
with a new like fucking thing next to you, like, yo, if you don't wash your hands, you can get a cold. Everyone will be like, yo.
walk into a room and shit, be like, Malcolm Gladwell, this dumbass nigga don't know the shit.
Dumbass
I know.
nigga.
Fuck out of here.
10,000 hours.
Suck my dick.
You know
nigga.
what? You have
Guess
to.
what?
Can
Fat kills
we
people.
clarify something? You have to do something well for 10,000 hours. I've done a lot of things shitty for 10,000 hours. I am not an expert on it. Okay. I'm not an expert on life, but I've definitely been doing it for 10,000 hours.
I've done something for 10,000 hours that I'm very good at. Yeah.
Getting money,
Yeah.
doing a little beef stroking off. Do you think you're a better masturbator than most people?
And
why so? Please show the work.
Are we talking? Can you do the work? I don't know. I mean, I don't know. Like, I have no base for comparison. Like, how? Like, are we talking about like efficiency? You know what I'm saying?
Say
like
some numbers.
Like ability to not under duress. Like
what was your combine score looking like?
come on.
For the jerking off combine?
The jerking off combine. It's like we got prospect Mero up next.
Niggas just jerking off and just jumping in the air and hitting the sides. You gotta come on your hand and hit it on the thing on top. Yeah. Like, wow, he cleared 7 feet.
Wow, amazing.
I'm not even jumping, I'm just like skirting, like, ah. Then go in the ice bath, it's just like your dick shrinks up. Man, semen floating on top.
We have Desus Nice, senior out of Mount Vincent College. He is a highly touted prospect in the masturbation league. Let's see how he does here.
Nigga doing wild stretches, but I'm not stretching my arms, just stretching my dick over here, stretching here, over my shoulder, like, yeah. Oh, man. But no, if you think about it, no person can satisfy you the way you satisfy yourself.
I mean, that's like, driving a car. Like, when you drive a car for, like, mad long, you're like, yeah, I know exactly how to drive this car. It's like, you know exactly how to drive your dick. Because you've been in this relationship with your dick for your entire life.
That's true.
You know what I'm saying?
That's true. You ever been aroused by something and you were surprised? Like, nah, I didn't think
why
that
is
was.
that
I didn't
arousing?
think that was something I'd go for.
Yeah. I was in the drive-thru the other day, and I was just like, at Burger King, and I was like, yo, can I get onion rings? And the shorty was like, yeah. And then she gave me the onion rings, but she didn't give me the spicy onion ring sauce. And I was like, yo, can I get the spicy onion ring sauce? And she was like, okay. And she came through with the wild fistful and put them in the bag. And I was like, damn, I got kind of hard.
Wow, that's some fat boy shit.
Yeah. It's weird.
That's definitely, you definitely gonna die early. This nigga jerking
Who
off.
wasn't that late?
This nigga jerking off to condiments. What is late? What is dying late? Dying late, the only thing the dying late would be is if you, what do you call it? If you outlive your money. That's dying late.
That's true. If you die, you don't want that broke. Nah.
Nah,
That's what I'm trying to make like 40 mil and just jump off a building. Like, yo,
40 mil?
nigga.
40 mil
400 mil.
enough?
Nah, billion.
400 mil?
Jay-Z got niggas hype now. Jay-Z's like, I'm about to be a billionaire, nigga. I'm from Marcy. You could do it too, nigga.
You know, J-Lo and A-Rod just copped a new crib. Shout to them.
They should probably got like a retractable roof and fucking like an entire staff just for J-Lo.
No, it's together. You know what I'm saying? I'm just mean, you know, I don't want to be on some broke boy shit. It's only 15.3 mil.
Oh, that's light.
It's like, you know what I'm saying?
I'll call Steve right now, get that.
4,000 square feet, 3 bedrooms, 4.5 bathrooms.
4.5 bathrooms. Where is it? Is it Miami?
432 Park Avenue.
Oh, wow. Okay.
Best view in New York City.
Oh, shit.
They said like the monthly maintenance on it is like $1 million. What's so funny, Zillow Mero?
Yo, $1 million a month maintenance fee, my nigga?
Listen, let me just say,
yo,
if you got it, you don't think about it.
That's true, but yo, listen, yo, A-Rod, yo, de lo mío, my nigga, I'll do this shit for $500 a week, my nigga, like.
Nah, they want the house professionally upkeep. They don't want you just replacing
smoking the blood, and shit, like.
Just replacing the fucking compressor in the fridge with the old compressors, making mad noise now. Refrigerator door is not even the same color.
Yo, listen, I found this fridge down in the basement. This shit worked good.
J-Lo come out and she's like, "You making a sandwich?"
Yeah, ma. Like, yo, like, you don't be cooking, B? I thought, where's the fucking arroz con gandules, ma? It was good. She's like, nigga, I'm rich.
I'm rich. I don't cook.
I don't cook, nigga. You stupid. I got a personal
You're
chef.
like, yo, don't, I'm sorry. I should have called first, but I brought my kids today. Your kids just running around the kitchen and shit. Your son comes out and her waiting for tonight dress. Like, I'm J-Lo.
Yeah, I'm J-Lo.
Where's the double-sided tape for my titties?
Yeah.
Like, put that back.
Put that back.
Put that back. That's iconic.
Chill. She had that frame. Nigga, how'd you get it out the frame?
Yo, the son comes like, Daddy, look, it's the gun she had with Puffy.
I'm like, yo, give me that shit.
A-Rock comes out with like the wild highlight cream. I was like, what's going on?
What's going on?
What's going on? Who are these kids?
Nigga got the nair like on his fucking beard and shit. Like, yo, what's happening? Whose kids are these? Oh my god, they're not mine, right? Like, I know I'm Dominican and shit, but like, oh my god, what's going on?
J-Lo and A-Rod don't even get your kids out. They just buy a whole new apartment down the floor. Like, fuck it. They throw you the keys like, here.
Go.
Good luck with the maintenance, nigga.
There's a kid room. Go maintain the house. And by the way, when I said I had a personal chef, nigga, that's you.
That's you.
So go in there make my pernil.
Let me be J-Lo and A-Rod's personal chef. Y'all will be eating straight garbage. All right? They're like, what's for dinner today? I was like, we have a... this is called a tuna fish with Chef Boyardee with a Frito-Lay tilapia crust.
Jesus. Come on, man. Like, we had this yesterday, bro.
Oh, okay. No, I got you a chopped cheese with the hidden ingredient.
Okay.
Donut sticks.
Oh my god, bro! They had this across from the stadium when I was playing there, bro.
Yo, here.
Are you just making food from bodegas, bro?
Artisanal star crunches.
Oh my god, bro! That's like 25 cents, man.
And listen, I made handy snacks myself. Look at these. You're welcome. I gotta go now.
This is like for babies, my nigga. This is cheese.
I spent like $10 on that food.
Just pocket the rest of this shit.
I'm like, yo, Poppy, let me get 2 ham and cheese sandwiches. Not on the road, on Hero.
Yeah.
Make them look different, though.
Yeah, and break
cut them in 4s.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Here's $10,000. Give me the change back.
I'm like, let me see. What would J-Lo like? Salt and vinegar chips. A-Rod like Utz, right?
Yeah, you already know. They're not fucking with the wise.
You know what? Why not be cheap? Yo, Poppy, the blue cheese combos, 2 packs.
Let me get to
it.
Yeah, let me get the pretzel cheddar shits, nigga.
Yeah, I'll hook this shit up. This shit up right here. Yo, that Sausalito is fresh? Yeah, give me 4 slices of that. Yeah.
Yo, let me try it first. Let me get a slice. Let me try it.
Cut it thin.
That's how you know when Poppy really fuck with you. When he slices shit and he give you that first like rotten slice, like yo, here.
He's like, here.
You can have that.
Cause you're like, oh, thank you. He's like, nah, I'm just cutting off the dead weight.
Yeah.
Ain't nobody had a cut of this meat in 4 months. Even the cat don't sleep on the shit no more. Also, shout out to people eating Sausalito. The fuck is that?
What is that?
All right? The whole time I was like, oh, that's a turkey from like Italy, right?
No.
And I was like, nah, that's a turkey from East Tremont, nigga.
Yeah, fuck out of here.
All right, that shit does not exist outside the Bronx.
Nigga, that turkey arrested me, nigga. That turkey stopped and frisked me.
Whoa, where you going?
Hey.
It's your man, Officer Sausalito over here.
Come here.
Let me know if I get any spiced meats on you, all right? You got any condiments in your pocket? Anything that would change my flavor?
Anything? Any mustard?
You know what it is? All right, get over there and spread them so I can put some mustard on your cheeks. Damn.
Yeah, nigga puts one of those sandwich toothpicks in your ass. Like,
ow! Shout out to all the bodegas that got the little card for like sandwiches, and they're like, "Yo, after the 10th sandwich, you get free."
Shit? Yeah.
And they don't ever remember because you get the sandwiches like 4 a.m, so you smizz, you don't have the card on you.
Yeah.
Poppy know you. He ain't trying to give away a free sandwich. He ain't clicking shit.
He be like, Poppy, that was not you. That was not you.
No, it's not you. Where you get the card?
Huh?
Let me
see. Let me see.
Card.
Let me see. Who
This
give me
your
that?
card.
No,
This not your card.
No, Papi, that's not your card.
This
That's
card,
it.
this no good. It's counterfeit.
Papi, this say Juan Peralta on it. Your name is Desus name.
Yeah, I mean, we just trying to get another sandwich. They got all types of like laws about you can't get the sandwich on the same day. Value of the sandwich cannot exceed the value of previous sandwiches. Does not include mayonnaise, mustard.
Why you doing that? Come on, man. Let me live, bro.
Don't do that.
Let me just get that shredded lettuce that's a week old.
You know what I'm saying? Give me all the iceberg lettuce I could get, man. Give me all that iceberg lettuce.
Yo, shout out to all the delis that make sandwiches and put this, you know how they do the salt, oil, vinegar,
Yeah.
That sandwich that you got to eat immediately because if you walk 2 blocks with that shit, by the time you get home, the roll is just like mush.
Soggy.
The soggy ass fucking puddle
now
of
it's got
bread.
oil, it's got vinegar in it, it's got mad mayo. You didn't carry it in the bag right, so it's all like smushed. You can't really get the paper off of it because you know it's delicious, so you just got to eat some of the paper because that's what the flavor is.
Fuck it. Wax paper doesn't body good, nigga. It's wild fibrous.
That's the thing I'm learning now. As I'm getting older, I'm realizing we're from the Bronx. We're not supposed to get older. Like life is just like y'all niggas should have been dead already.
Yo, why are you still niggas still alive?
Like I literally was looking at the TV yesterday. We're sitting at a table with Eric Holder, and I was like, you know what? Shit could have been different. We could have been on the other side of that shit.
And you could have been like, these niggas are doing 25 years in jail.
Your Honor, if I can address the court, I would like to just say thank you for your time and suck my dick from the back.
Bailiff, come get him.
Mero, throw the chair. Do the drop. Niggas do the drop, just dropping their knee in my backs.
Niggas coming shackling in with the face masks and shit.
Fuck that, I'm not cuffing up.
No, nah, fuck that.
You just hear the taste like, zzz, I'm like, all right, cool,
I'm good.
I'm pussy.
Don't taste me, bro. I'm pussy. I'm wild pussy.
I apologize. I'm sorry. I apologize, Your Honor.
No gang affiliations.
No, whatsoever. Could you get locked up by Eric Holder?
Yo.
That's some serious shit there.
And I kept looking at him like, yo, you look like all my uncles. You, goddamn, bro.
You know what? He seems like
I was expecting him to take a rip off the bottle of Brugal at some point. Like, yo,
he looked like at one moment he would have hooked off on us. Just on some play shit, just chest our chins. Like, yo, we just make sure y'all niggas not buns.
Yeah. You know what I'm saying? Back in the day, young blood, you had to defend your turf.
People were like, why'd you ask about Fast and Furious and all the gun running things? I was like, fam, we once showed alpacas biting each other's balls off on the show.
Yeah, I'm like, bro,
let them do that at MSNBC. We just happy to stunt.
Yeah, you know what I'm saying? Like,
you'd be like, why you don't ask them the hard questions? I was like, why don't you ask the hard questions?
Why don't you, motherfucker? You guys
I'm just happy to be here.
You guys at, nigga?
You know what I'm saying? At the nigga.
Fuck out of here.
Okay. Also, he runs around with a shooter. Don't get it twisted.
Yeah, seriously, that dude look. Yo, that motherfucker.
That
look
nigga
like,
killed niggas.
Yo,
that nigga killed niggas, and this is retirement.
Fam, and he looked like Lurch. You know what I'm saying? Like you, Lurch run up on you with the strap, nigga. You better fucking get low. It's not a game.
Get low.
How low can you go?
We need to
get recommended. We need.
No. Wow. Also, shout out everyone yesterday was like, how come we're just gonna have Erica Mena on? I was like, do you want Erica Mena or Eric Holder?
I mean,
like what the educated side of you wants Eric Holder. The messy side of you
was.
It's like remember those Shredder Wheat commercials? It's like, Shredder Wheat for the adult of me, but the frosted side for the kid of me.
Yeah.
And Jared was like, I don't want the adult side.
Give me the blueberry frosted.
I want to put more frosting on the frosting side.
Niggas doing focus groups with kids like, what flavor do you prefer?
Let me ask you kids, let's just say hypothetically speaking, I was driving up with a van. Would you prefer no windows, or just a sign on the side that said free candy?
What kind of candy do you like?
What kind of candy is it?
Do you like Sour Patch Kids?
I have an all mouth. I got an all day sucker for your mouth if you want. Ew. I'm just in there like, yo, we got $200 for the focus group, right? Yeah, I ain't say there was an age requirement.
Yo.
Let me see.
Were they only
Yes,
adults in
no,
there?
I do not enjoy getting touched in my bottom parts. So,
I am 12.
so listen.
Yo, shout out to all my niggas out there lying on focus groups just to get that little hundo. You know what I'm saying? And spend it on weed.
It'll get you through.
You know what I mean?
It'll get you through.
It sure will.
Sometimes, listen, you gotta get it where you get it, baby.
Man, I remember leaving those focus groups and then hitting like the Wendy's on Broadway by Atrium and shit.
Ooh.
And just being like, yo, I'm balling.
Like, you were good. Remember when life was you just had to get enough money to make you through the week?
Yeah.
You wasn't thinking 2 weeks at a time. You were just like, yo,
I got
I'm good
this.
for now. I'm good till Friday. And you got the money, like, you know you should put it towards, like, your rent, your Con Ed. You're like, nope, weed time.
Weed time.
Let me get some Baileys. Yeah.
Fucking hit the liquor store on Castle Hill like, yo, let me get the big bottle of Henny.
Yeah, we eating today. Not the $33 bottle, the $40 bottle. Because that $7 makes a difference, daddy. And the guy's like, hey, as he slides it through the bulletproof glass because they don't respect you or the community.
Nigga puts the shit and spins it around.
He's like, yo, I respect your money. I don't respect you as a person.
No, not at all.
Shout out to Liquor World, I believe it's on 233rd, which still has no bulletproof glass.
Oh, shit.
You can walk up and down the aisles and touch all liquor you want.
It's mad ballsy.
It's not really ballsy because they keep that thing on them.
Oh,
and on the holidays, you can definitely see the vest underneath the cashier's. And he's like, listen, we've been in this neighborhood 40 years. We ain't fucking running.
Yeah. Wow.
They're going to open the register with the burner, like... Nigga shoot your change at you like pew pew. It's like, what's up?
Make you do the puff dance to perfection. What?
What?
Yo, yeah. Now my uncle had a liquor store in Newark, and they got robbed once, and then he was like, "No, papi." Then he started keeping machetes and mad guns and shit. No body armor, but just mad guns and machetes and shit. Shit never got robbed again. And he sold the shit and moved to DR, and now he is chilling.
I think body armor is important because then it's just like, yo, fam, I'm not going down easy. Because it's like no one just has body armor and no gun.
Nah,
okay?
No. That's a combo deal. Nigga.
Okay?
It's like burger and fries.
You got to get them all.
Let me get the number 3, the AR-15 with the bump stock and the body armor. Thanks.
Let's go.
Supersize it.
Let's get it going. Let's get it shaking, daddy. That's when you just like, yo, run the register, and they're like, no. That's so. If you robbing a place, you're like, yo, give up the goods, and they say no. You're like, fuck,
bro.
Because now everything changes. Because now you gotta. This might be a struggle. You can't walk away and be buns. You might have to shoot this nigga.
Yep.
This nigga might shoot you.
Yo, my father told me if you tell a nigga suck your dick, you gotta be ready to die or ready to kill. Are you ready to die or ready to kill?
Where's that from? Where's that from? Someone said that. That's a quote.
Tekashi.
Oh, Tekashi. Oh, I was like, oh, Charlie said that to Tekashi, right?
He's like, yo, I'm ready to die and I'm ready to kill, nigga. What's up?
I mean, the thing about niggas telling you to suck their dick, like, you could be ready to die already. It's really not that serious.
Yeah, it's not.
It's not that serious. Like, at the end of the day, if someone tells you to suck my dick, and you kill them, in about a year, you're going to feel really stupid in jail.
Yeah.
Because then you realize, like, you could have walked away.
I could have just been like, yo.
You're like, yo, I'm the man. I'm the nigga. Like, niggas know. I'm banging on my chest. Niggas know my name rings bells in this jail cell.
In this jail.
Yeah, and these 30 other niggas that we all masturbate to the same, like, ripped out pornography page.
Damn, niggas pass shit around, like, cipher it. Like,
is that Jasmine Cashmere?
Yo,
shit.
Yo, she's new?
Oh, shit. Yo, nigga, when you done, give me that blue Cantrell.
Yo, word up, yo.
Special occasion.
Niggas like 10 years behind and shit. Like, yo, you got that new Janet Jack me, my nigga?
Yeah, nigga.
Did you see that porn bracket?
Oh, yeah, I did. Shout out to the porn bracket.
You know what I'm saying? They had Sarah J as a 16 seed going up against Janet Jameson. I was like, bro, that's the upset of the year right there.
No, but that porn bracket did not have one of the GOATs of ebony porn. Obsession?
How
you don't have Obsession?
How you don't have Obsession?
Obsession ain't have no walls, my nigga.
How you have? Come on, man.
Okay, when the Challenger shuttle blew up,
come on.
Obsession was throwing it back for us.
You know what I mean?
Way back when.
Come on,
and
not
only that, after that, she went and she was on Blind Date. She was on shows and shit. She did some work.
She did some shit.
She had no gag reflex.
None.
Shout to you, Obsession.
Yo.
Nothing but respect for my president.
Shout to all our. Are we still calling it ebony porn?
Yeah, that's what it's gonna be called forever. Because you can't call it black porn.
Black porn.
Black porn.
That just sounds mad righteous.
You know what they want to just call it nigger porn.
Nigger porn.
They just want to call it N-word porn, but you know.
Yo. Nigger porn.
Nigger porn.
Nigger porn.
You
That
can get
sounds
away
like a
with that.
Japanese word. Like you go to Japan, niggas be like, Nigga Pon.
Oh, it's the hottest nightclub in Japan.
Yeah, it's
Nigga Pon.
Nigga Pon.
We have pandas, samurais, and in the back, Tashini Waxing by Takashi 69.
Oh,
Come to
shit.
Nigga Pon.
Do you want to see Takashi put an octopus in his butt? Come to
Blicky with the pocky. Aki and Mustaki.
I'm a Nigga Pon, put the pissy bar.
I'm like, oh,
Yo,
shit.
damn, okay.
We're just walking around kimonos, like, oh, shit.
Shit is lit.
Nigga Pon is great.
Yo, Logan Paul walks in and throws dead fish everywhere. Like, I really respect your country, guys.
Nigga Pon. Taking mad pictures with like Japanese girls, like 1, 2, 3. Nigga Pon.
Nigga Pon. He's calling it a nigger pond and shit. They were like, yo, no.
We heard from Nigger Pod. Like, no, it's
This nigga pond.
Nigga Pon.
Fuck out of here.
Nigga Pon.
Fuck is wrong with you?
Nigga Pon. It's the opposite of H2O.
Yo. Pond the nigga. Pond the band.
I seen niggas before, but I never seen a nigga like this. Real bad man, and niggas they run. What a terrible, horrible word. We should stop saying it. Run,
Are we
not
gonna-
niggas.
Yeah.
Nah, we can't. Our brand is, listen, at this point,
Yo.
and if we stop saying it, it's because of pressure from other people. And
Yeah,
at this
it
point,
is.
like, I really don't give a
pressure.
shit.
Yeah,
I
fuck
do not give
you.
it does not affect your mentality. If we stop saying the N-word, it's not going to affect systematic, racism
oppression,
and
none of
poverty in the
that.
black community.
Doesn't matter.
It just makes people uncomfortable.
Yeah.
You got to make people uncomfortable.
Good.
It's like Kanye said: as soon as they like you, make them unlike you. Because kissing niggas' asses is so unlike you. Even though he's very comfortable. Right? Does he make music anymore?
I
He was at the March for Our Lives rally with his kids. I was like, I don't want to see real Kanye.
Nah, go in the studio with Rick Rubin saying and fucking crisscross applesauce.
I want
nigga.
you to be. Where's the Kanye that makes sweatsuits from marble and shit?
Come on.
Couldn't even walk in the shit. This was heavy.
It's just made out of. You look like a Minecraft character and shit. Like, yo.
I am your quarry. I am your gravel. You respect me as such.
Respect me. Build a crafting table. Niggas just making Yeezy season 4 on a crafting table. I need more resources.
You're gonna respect my Rockwell hardest test, all right? I'm harder than Mika. That was a very deep cut from my geology stuff. They're like, thank you, Jesus. I felt seen.
Yeah, thank you. Please return the scratch plate when you're done with it.
Ooh. Oh wow, scratch plate. Yeah. Shout out to science teachers in high schools. Y'all just wasting time. Nah, they really are. They really are. Think about the experiments you did. Like, we built a battery, and I got in trouble because why? Because each table had a battery. They was like, yo, if you connect this, the wire from the negative to the positive, the light will light up. And I was like, yeah, that's cool and all.
What if we do it
What if I
backwards?
just took all the batteries from all the fucking tables and put them back to back to back and blew the fuck out this light? They were like, what are you doing, Jesus? And all you heard was, bang! You just heard like the wild smoking thing. And they was like, what happened? I got rid of the other batteries. I was like,
nothing.
mine don't work.
I don't know. Yo, fucking, I'm in science class in sophomore year. Shout out to DeWitt Clayton High School. Shout out to Doc, I think the nigga was a doctor, I don't know, Mr. Isaacson. He was like, today we're going to learn how to use a Bunsen burner.
Ooh.
You know what I'm saying? I was like, woo, niggas play with fire in the lab, let's go. So I just, young Mero thought it would be really cool to just turn on the Bunsen burner and
Turn on the lights.
and see what happens if you put a thermometer directly into a flame. And it exploded 20 thermometers and gave everybody mercury poisoning.
Hey, I mean, it happens. It happens.
I didn't even get suspended for that shit. Shout out to New York City Public High School. You,
You know, there was a lot of
shit.
shit you get suspended for like fighting or like stabbing. You can't just be suspending people left and right for trying to learn this shit. I remember the day we had to dissect pig fetuses, and everyone like girls were crying and shit. Nigga, I was like Dexter.
Yeah, like, yo, shit is lit.
I had my scalpel. I was like, yeah,
hold that.
I was like, how you feeling, piglet?
Yeah.
Ain't going now, huh?
Yo.
Yeah. Swine on this fork. Yeah.
My shit, they did it in like steps. It was like fucking, it was like when you go, it was like the finger, when you put your finger in Shorty's butt to see if she's down with anal. It was like, first it was like a sheep eyeball.
Yeah.
You know what I'm saying?
Then like
then it was a
squirrel
frog.
pellets. Then the frog.
Then it was the fetal pig. And that
Fetal
motherfucker was
pig.
just in there like,
Come out the formaldehyde. It was like,
yeah, what up, nigga?
He's like, what's up? You gonna cut me up?
I could have been a delicious pernil. But instead I'm an experiment.
I'm just cutting off pieces, putting in my bag for later. Like, yeah, we eating good tonight.
You turn
Yeah.
around Puerto Rican Shorty behind you was like putting some frito on the shit. shit. Like, yo, hold on, you can't eat that. It's formaldehyde.
I'm supposed to dissect it. I'm supposed to season it. Put mad adobo
Just
in
like
it.
rubbing it and shit, like tenderizing the motherfucker.
I'm like, Tatiana over there got something cooking up.
Damn, wow.
She's like, excuse me, can I borrow your Bunsen burner? I want to fillet these onions. Oh yeah, make that happen.
Yeah, I'm like, yo, why'd you bring some son to a fucking science class?
You know why,
like, you know
DK.
why, motherfucker.
The teacher's like, so if you actually cut down the spine and just see her like her plate is sizzling, okay, the teacher. If you actually cut down the spine, if you cut down the spine of the pig,
Damn, this is gonna be mad good. Yo, pass me the
Excuse
adobo.
me.
Pass me the adobo.
Yesenia, excuse me.
Yes, what's up?
Are you using the scalpel to cut our onions?
Yes, because I'm going to make the fire painting that you ever had in your life, my nigga. Trust me. Like, it's gonna be mad popping. And this shit got formaldehyde, so you're gonna get dumb high too. It's gonna be lit.
Are you making rice in a Pyrex?
Yes, I am. I'm using the eye washing station to make fucking, like, you know what I'm saying, mixing drinks and shit like that. You feel me?
It's drinking Moscato. I'm like, yo, I walk in, I was like, oh, we had Don Coquille? Is Don Coquille at Clayton High School? All right.
Hey, let's get it.
Let's get it. I'll get a Bulldog. Can I put in a container of milk inside the drink? Like, yeah. Oh, man.
Yeah, shout out to everybody that passed the high school science class and remembers anything at all. All I remember is Igneous Rock.
Igneous Rock. The Australian rapper.
Yo.
What are the two types of rocks?
Igneous, metamorphic, and
This is for the $10,000 for the Martinez family.
Metamorphic and something tight. Fuck. What's the third one? Igneous, metamorphic, and not volcanic.
I'm sorry.
What was the third one?
Sedimentary.
Sedimentary.
I'm
Fuck,
sorry,
yes!
sedimentary. I'm sorry.
When sediment settles
Kid
and
Mero.
becomes rock. Damn,
sorry.
sedimentary rock. Fuck
sorry,
you.
Did not go home with the $1 million. We have some parting prizes for you. Why can't you give you the wild shitty prize? Like, you could have won $1 million, but instead you're going home with Pop-Tarts. Pop-Tarts. Not even the frosted ones, just the plain ones for your broke ass.
Broke motherfucker.
And of course, we have Mop and Go. Mop and Go. Make your kitchen shine. You're like, what the fuck?
Nigga, I don't want to eat Pop-Tarts to
What
clean
happened
my
to
house.
what happened to the Miami trip?
Can I go to Miami, please?
Do you enjoy white beaches?
Huh?
Because we have chalk. Chalk for your kids. They can draw a white beach in front of your house. Yeah. Like, I don't want this shit. And I gotta pay taxes on this. This shit whack.
That's just
Fuck you, Bob Barker.
Fuck you, nigga. That's just, I'll tell you, like, when the nigga gives you a fucking Ford F-150, you gotta pay taxes on that motherfucker. That shit ain't for free.
That's what the people were complaining when Oprah gave people cars. They were like, we didn't know we had to pay taxes on the car, blah, blah, blah. Oprah bankrupt. It's just sell the car, nigga. It's not that serious.
It's not that serious, bro. You got the title, sell that bitch.
And then people was like, the cars were breaking down. You got to maintain the car.
Oh, bro, come on.
Like, fam, if you get
You got a free car, nigga.
take it from there. You can't go be complaining.
Come on.
What's the matter with people now? They complain about
First
shit.
world problems, man.
I'll say, if you get some shit for free, don't beef about the shit.
Enjoy it, nigga. And if you don't enjoy it, sell it. And give some money and buy something you enjoy.
It's like people who complain about this show. They're like, oh, listen.
God, JK's really long, but I don't know if
Listen, you get it right there. You get it right there. You either fuck with it or you don't fuck with it.
You know what I'm saying? Fucking clown cakes.
Clown cakes. Clown cakes sound delicious.
Yeah.
But it sounds like it's like the butt of a clown. Just
Yeah,
cut them
it's
off, like,
clown
yo.
cakes. That's like the old stripper that comes out in clown makeup and shit.
Oh, imagine that. Like, she comes out with the face painted like a clown, but she got the wild yeeks. She's like
juggling her titties and shit.
squeeze out the breast milk like Sosa. Like,
She got a little squirting flour on her choach and shit. Like,
she flies up the pole and then she comes down, ends the split, and then starts pulling like mad handkerchiefs out her choach. Whoa, that's so wacky.
Remember the ludicrous song "Fat Rabbit"? I'm about to pull a rabbit out my choach.
Whoa! She's like, nothing on my sleeves.
Because I'm not wearing any.
She's just like painting people's faces. I would like a Batman. She's like, yeah.
Bad vaginal discharge and shit. Like, here.
Ew, that's cringe. So nasty. Oh.
Unless you a nasty nigga like us.
You a nasty nigga like us. You a nasty nigga. You a nasty nigga.
Hey, you enjoy the truffle butter.
You a nasty nigga. You like thrust. You a nasty nigga like us. Bitch got a little crust. You a nasty nigga like us.
Yeah.
Nasty
Sweaty butthole here, you don't care? Nasty nigga like us.
She got little brown things around the butthole.
Nasty niggas like us, yeah.
A little morning breath never stop. Oh,
Ooh.
okay.
Oh, is this Pinot on the tail? Oh.
It's like classy Pinot.
Oh, classy Pinot? All right, I respect it.
It's all right because you can tell she respects herself. It's not fun.
Yeah.
You want a little sadness in your news. Like I enjoy this, but I don't really trust you, so I'm not gonna put my face in it.
Yeah. Bust it open, but like.
Bust it open with my initials. Yeah. Let them know.
Yeah.
No, I kid. I don't. Only nudes I accept are from my Lord and Savior, Mary.
That's right.
That's right. Mm-hmm. The only nudes I want are NUDEs, new understanding of direct enlightenment from the Bible.
That's right. Mm-hmm. Wow.
Yeah.
That's right.
Stay blessed.
Damn, you ready for this fucking church?
I can't wait.
Came with the acronym off top. Man, fast.
Listen, that's what you gotta do, man. Listen,
Yo.
You gotta. That ain't no money like mega church money.
Oh hell no, because that mega church money don't stop.
Don't stop, because people believe in God forever.
Forever.
A pastor was just arrested, accused of defrauding investors.
Oh wow, what a surprise!
A Shreveport financial planner and pastor of a prominent Houston church has been indicted in the theft of more than $1 million from investors to whom they allegedly sold worthless Chinese bonds. Wow. The U.S. Attorney's Office said. That's right, man.
Damn, he was a pastor and financial advisor? That's a bad combo.
Get this. He sold people bonds that promised returns on bonds. He promised returns on bonds issued decades ago by the Republic of China, a nation that ceased to exist when the communists took over China in 1949.
Wow.
He scammed the whole congregation.
Nigga, Air Tyrone.
Pastor ain't right.
Wow.
Pastor ain't right.
Nigga said, Tyrone, hold my beer, nigga.
One of the largest Protestant churches in the U.S. Some of y'all listening to this like, damn, he scammed me.
Damn, bro.
What's he facing? 20 years in prison.
Okay.
And 10 years in prison for the conspiracy. $1 million fine for restitution, forfeit, and 5 years of supervised release. Is that worth it for Mill?
20 years?
And he's 55.
Nah. Maybe if you're 15.
At what age is 20 years? Like 30 is like the cutoff for 20 years.
Yeah.
25.
Like, bro, I'm not trying to come out and be 50.
Yeah, you don't want to be 50 right on the dot. Maybe come out at 49. Like, I still got a year left.
Yeah.
That's right. We're going to the fever.
Yeah, that's right, baby.
That's right.
Yeah, let's go to Happy Land. What happened to Happy Land? Oh, it's not so happy?
Wow.
Damn.
Wow. This nigga making Happy Land jokes. Somebody was like, Jay-Z was wild disrespectful to Happy Land. Because remember, he was like, the fire I spit burns down Happy Land.
Yeah.
They was like, that was a sub at Fat Joe. I was like, I don't think it was.
I don't think
just because Fat Joe's Bronx in Spanish doesn't mean like every Happy Land.
Yeah, he was a Happy Land.
Also, every Bronx person goes like, yeah, Happy Land, gang. You want to know what's weird? I'm going to blow your fucking mind right now, bro.
Blow it, bro.
Happy Land and the Triangle Shirtwaist Fire, same day. Not same year, but same day.
I was like, God damn, that's a throwback.
That's wild. See, don't fuck with buildings that got like blocked fire exits.
There you go.
Yeah.
You know what I'm saying? Call the fire marshal. You know what I'm saying?
1-800-223-9797.
That's right.
Like, hey, can I speak to Ebro? I believe there's the fire exits are blocked here. Wait, we can't talk about Hot 97 because remember we have a secret conspiracy pack with iHeartRadio.
Oh yeah, with iHeartRadio. Yeah, sorry. Oof. Damn.
Sorry.
Damn. Now we're fucked. Now we're gonna get. As soon as we leave, we're gonna get black hoods thrown over our heads and taken to Guantanamo.
Damn.
And tortured by iHeartRadio fucking generals.
The Magnus make radio great again.
Yo, these niggas, bro. Y'all niggas, I don't know if you niggas are really off drugs yet. Because, like, I don't know where you motherfuckers come up with these wild conspiracies. I'm like, nigga, we just wake up every day, go do a show, and then go home.
We got conspiracy theories. That's when you know you're popping. There's 3 levels of popping. There's, they're gay. That's one popping. Yeah. What's the other one?
Check.
Check. Oh, yeah, we've been there. We've been there. We're like wild womanizers or whatever.
Yeah.
Check. We got that.
Check.
And now we got the conspiracy shit. Niggas are saying we're in the Illuminati.
Illuminati shit.
Niggas said we sold out because we had Eric Holt. I mean, listen, you're right.
Hey. Fuck it, baby. Well, nigga, I can't hear you from Calabasas. Alpine, New Jersey is a very exclusive community.
You know what I'm saying? I've been to Mero's house. It's very quiet. You don't hear the haters. The rumors don't infiltrate the cul-de-sac.
No. I have tree lining. It blocks the sound. Yo, I had that wild neighbor beef the other day because it snowed. We had that wild nor'easter and it snowed OD. and her tree, she got a tree in her yard, and the branches leans over into my yard, and the shit was covered in snow, so it's way down crazy.
Yeah.
So the shit is leaning on my fence, and it's starting to make my fence like kind of bow a little bit.
Did you knock on the door like, yo?
Nah, I didn't. Nigga, I went in the garage. I got an axe and I started hacking that shit to pieces. Like, yo, fuck you. Fuck your tree. Like, don't put your tree in my yard. I'm on some Bronx shit still. Like, even though I'm not, like, still acclimating to, like, suburban, like, etiquette or whatever, apparently, if somebody's tree is in their yard but the branch is in your yard, like, you're responsible for that branch. So I'm like, all right, cool. Like, I didn't know that. So I'm just like, I'm going to just push this shit back over into Shorty's yard, but the shit was so heavy that I couldn't. So I went to the garage, got the motherfucking Paul Bunyan axe, hacked that shit to pieces, and just threw a mad big ass tree log into Shorty's yard. And then she came out, she's like, excuse me, do you know that you have thrown a big branch on my flower bed? Are you going to take care of that? I was like, yo, lady. I was like, my little dog be out here, my kids be out here. I can't have this branch falling on my children. You know what I'm saying? She's like, I understand that, but you know the rules that is when you have a tree on your property. I was like, no, I don't give a fuck about nothing. I just hacked the tree with an axe. I'm going on my house. Shut the fuck up. If you got a problem, call the police, nigga. And they'll be cool with me because I know CC's bad for you.
Wow. I'm just sitting across the street watching this with like a beer, like, these niggas is messy. Yo, baby, they're fighting again. I don't know, the white lady and the Dominican guy that sells drugs or whatever.
It's a Puerto Rican lady, bro. She's trying to get mad spicy.
Nah, she's white Latinx. I can't tell if she's like, I don't know what it is. Yeah, they're fighting. Remember this cul-de-sac was so quiet. I don't know what he does. He gets in the fucking Jeep every morning.
I don't know. Every time he pulls up, he's playing fucking Lil Uzi Vert, mad loud.
He's not a stockbroker. Look at him. He's not a stockbroker.
Yo, it was crazy because
I don't know. I think he's Don Omar.
Niggas be mad as fuck when I pull up play reggaeton mad loud in like the fucking range, like 2020 Range Rover and shit. Niggas was like, what does he do? What does he do? What does he do?
What's his secret?
What does he do?
What's his secret?
Who's this lady picking him up every day in Suburban? What's going on here?
That's why I don't like get picked up in front of my house. I take keep it real. I take the BX31 and I get off at 1141 Edenwood Projects every morning. And I get picked up there. No, sir. No, it's just because there's a loop there. You wouldn't even get the car. I'm just saying. Shout out to Edenwood Projects being right next to a police precinct, and
them niggas don't care.
Not at all.
Nah, they're like, yo.
I think that made it worse.
Yeah.
Cause you're like, the cops right there. They ain't coming across the street, pussy.
Yo, fuck y'all. Yo, fuck you, Jackie Chan.
Shout out to every Asian cop in New York City. You have been called Jackie Chan. What is? Because every race has their go-to.
Oh yeah.
Okay. Because even the cops got it.
Oh, of
the
course.
cops are gonna call you whatever. Who's the most popping person for your race?
Oh yeah.
So who's the most person? Whoa, wait.
Hey,
Jay Balvin, get over here.
Get over here. Yo, Romeo Santos, bring your ass over here. Bring it over here, right. You jerk.
And then you got for black people, it's like, whoa, LeBron.
Hey.
You taking your talents to South Beach? No, take your talents over here.
What are you, the GOAT?
Yeah. Whoa.
Get your ass over here now.
Thanks.
Totally. Yeah. I don't know if that makes sense, but fuck it.
Trust the process and bring your ass over here, okay?
Come over here, you jerk off.
The Greek freak? I'm out the freak and you're Greek. Get over here. Yeah.
Strive for greatness, strive for arrestedness, motherfucker. Get in the car.
Don't touch nothing. Get in the car.
Woo. Damn. Look at Joel's trying to not touch nothing and get in the car.
You know what? They wouldn't even throw his case out. Shout out to all the fake news that was saying like he got his case thrown out. They remanded his bond. Joel's locked up.
Yo.
I mean, that's cool to be locked up with a rapper, but it's not cool for the rapper.
For the rapper,
gonna keep bothering you, like, yo,
bruh, because do
your verse from TikTok.
Yo, imagine how blown you gotta be to be like, yo, you get off the fucking plane, you ready to get your, because a nigga lives in Jersey, like
right.
All rappers live in Jersey, so like you get off the plane and shit, you getting ready to go to your crib in Jersey and shit, like roll up, smoke a blunt and shit, like you just thinking ahead, and then you get off the plane, you're like, oh shit, I left the fucking cig in the fucking passenger in my carry-on.
No, it wasn't. He wasn't getting off the plane. He was heading out.
Oh, and he had the shit in the car?
Yeah.
Why?
Sometimes you pick up the wrong bag, nigga. It's seriously that simple. But he did get federal charges dropped against him. Okay. So that's good, but he still remains in custody because those New Jersey charges could still fuck him up. We also had guns, too. I mean,
drugs?
Pills. Not that many pills. Not enough to say. He could say for personal use. Doesn't say intent to distribute.
Yeah, let's get a script real quick, nigga. Don't worry about it. Let's go to fucking City MD. Get the shit post dated.
I got anxiety.
Planes make me nervous.
That's why I can't. That was my comfort gun. My emotional support burner.
my emotional support ratchet.
Chrissy Teigen brought in a casserole. Why can't I bring in a blasterole?
Come on.
Yeah,
motherfucker.
What do you mean I gotta buy a separate seat for my
You
AR-15?
put a little vest on the shit, like a little leash.
They're like, please pull the safety belt until both sides come out. In the attempt of a water landing, the vest will deploy. I'm like, to my gun, I'm like, are you listening?
You listening?
They come over like, excuse me, gun. In case of an emergency, this is an exit roll. Are you going to be able to do the maneuvers necessary of a person in the emergency room? If not, please let me know.
Gun is like, bark, bark.
He says good.
Good. They're like, yo, would you like chicken or fish? Bark, bark.
You can't be firing the AR-15 or a Brazy on a plane. I haven't seen a Mythbusters episode about it, but I feel like it just doesn't end well.
All I know about planes is that if you make a hole in the side of the plane, like everybody gets sucked out and dies.
That's not
is that
true.
Really true?
That's not true.
Is that a fact?
It's not true.
Depends on the altitude.
It depends on the altitude. But you can actually lose a complete roof of a plane and it continue to fly and land safely. Everyone will not be sucked out. That happened to a Hawaiian flight. Loses roof. From Los Angeles to Honolulu. Aloha Airlines flight 243. One stewardess was sucked out.
Okay.
That was the only person. That was the one fatality. It completely lost the roof of the plane and still landed. Look at this shit.
Plane ain't got no roof.
Look at this shit.
Yo!
One fatality.
Yo, they got the T-top
Look it up.
fucking 747.
I think the pilot was it. I mean, I'm not trying to like make any assumptions here. I believe the pilot was a woman. Am I wrong?
Okay, Andrew Schultz. I'm not sure why you wrote that up. Wow.
No, I think I remember seeing like they did a Lifetime movie about it or something.
Yo! She's like Amelia Earhart.
No, the captain was a man. Okay?
Even better.
A man, duh.
The first officer, however, was 36-year-old Madeline Mimi Tompkins.
Yeah.
She had significant experience flying
That's what I'm trying to
737s
say.
and had logged $3,500 of her 8,000 flight hours.
See, she did 6,000 more.
Damn.
You know what I'm saying? 6,500 more. She would have been an expert.
58-year-old flight attendant Clarabelle Lansing was thrown out the plane. Her body was never found.
Wow. I mean, 58.
You know what? So you're just saying like people don't matter after 58? Wow.
Happy birthday to my pops, y'all. Nigga turned 60, y'all. Then I'm me. I'm about
This
to
nigga
die.
just something like niggas just doing that thing like Gay?
Poppy, what happened? I thought you liked me. Nah, my pops is here now. I'm about to go see him after this and be like,
Where is he? He
yo.
lives here or he's here with his other family?
Nah, his other family's in DR. And
Yo,
they're mad old.
This is the last fact about this flight. During an interview, passenger Gail Yamamoto told investigators she had noticed a crack in the fuselage upon boarding, but did not say anything to anybody.
Wow.
Gail, you piece of shit. If you were on a plane and you see a crack, I'm like, excuse me.
Wow.
Excuse me. Excuse me.
Yamamoto?
Yeah, what, you know her?
Yeah, she's you know what I'm saying?
don't.
She does the Adidas Y3 shit.
Boo. This.
It stinks.
Boo. Boo.
Oh, brother, this guy stinks!
Oh, yo, get him out of here. Get him out of here.
Yo, G Yamamoto.
Yo, shout out to Baltimore. By the time you listen to this, we have come to Baltimore
And destroyed it.
Destroyed it.
You know what I'm saying?
Come down to Baltimore, we'd be like, where's Wallace?
Yo.
All we know is wire references.
Yeah,
so that's
so-
all y'all getting.
Yo.
Baltimore, and we're going to talk about how the Orioles suck.
Yeah.
Yeah.
We're going to go Amsterdam on y'all.
Ha ha! We're coming back with Manny Marciano.
We really are. We're not playing.
We're not playing.
We're kidnapping
gonna
that
duct tape him. Duct
With a
tape your
hookah
favorite
hose.
player. That's right.
Just have like instead of free candy, free hookah.
You're like, here, take a puff. He's gonna be like, I don't normally. Like, feel winded. Like,
I feel lightheaded. Oh
He's
my
like,
god.
Kalo, no.
It's like a Jason Bourne movie and shit. Nigga wakes up, starts having flashbacks.
It's like, no, where was I?
Papi, I used to live in Baltimore with Name McLeod. Yo,
Oh boy,
Follar es bueno. I just had to say that.
what was that?
I don't know.
You
It's
just make- you
the Spain. Fuck. Apparently, slang for fucking in Spain is follar.
DR Sesame Street.
Oh, we're just learning words. Just learning words.
Fóllame la polla.
Is that what does that mean? I'm cleaning out my closet.
Fuck my cock.
Wow. Is that what that really means?
Yeah, but it sounds like classier because it's in like Spain, like so it's like
It's in the white Spanish.
The white Spanish.
That you talked in Ibiza?
Ibiza.
Oh.
I went to Ibiza. I put money in my nalgas. It was nice.
Do you remember the True Life MTV? I'm addicted to drugs, and the girl went to Ibiza, and then she found like white powder in the hotel room carpet, and she's trying to sniff it because she didn't know what it was, and she thought it was GHB, and the guy was like, it could be anything. She was like, I don't care. I don't care. And she was like crying and shit.
Oh my god,
so good.
I thought you were gonna say the fucking True Life with the dude. The shit that spawns the Jersey Shore series, True Life. I have a shore house or whatever with the dude who had the Kango on at all times, and he was just like a construction worker from Jersey. He's like, yeah, you know, every summer I go down to the shore. You know what I mean? That's where I really show out. You know what I mean? I got my Cadillac. You know, I go down there. There's a lot of broads. You know what I mean? We do our thing. You know, I get out there. You know, I'm trying to look for love out here at the shore. You know, trying to find the right one.
Just a contractor looking for a skink.
You know what I'm saying?
Yeah. You ever been finger banged after a Rangers game?
You ever get finger banged with sheetrock on a nigga's fingers?
Yeah. UTI is character building, all right? Listen, let me rub against you in the LIRR bathroom to get to Ronkonkoma. You know what I mean? Floor's a little wet. We can use that as lube.
Billy Joe sitting there like, God damn, these motherfuckers.
Hey, pull. Hey, you ever use a Bud Light as lube? Yeah.
Yeah, take it to Zanzibar.
Are you Henrik Lundqvist? Why you blocking that pussy so much? All right? Whoa. Hey, let me get in your Islanders. You know what I'm saying? As always, shout to the sponsors. Shout to Square Cash.
Yeah, boy.
Square Cash it up. Ching, 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 ching.
I'm sending so much money via Square
don't
Cash.
use Cash App.
Use Cash App, bro.
What else we got? Don't forget, we still got tickets on deck. Mero do NYC.
Yes,
Sounds like a Pinot. It could be. You
sir.
never know. Shout out to the illustrious photo of us selling out the Apollo.
That's right, bro.
Big things are going.
You know what I'm
but we
saying?
accomplished so much that it even mattered to us.
Yeah.
I saw that and I was like,
I was like, oh, is this a Photoshop?
Let me continue eating my tacos.
Yeah.
It's happened every day, baby.
You know what I'm saying? I mean,
Ain't
my
nothing.
mozzarella sticks, even though I'm lactose intolerant.
We out here, we just winning from the rooter to the tutor, baby. Also, be sure to check out regular Bodega Sushi. We have more tour dates for non-New York locations.
Yes.
And shout out to San Francisco, because we'll be there for Clusterfest. I've been buying shorts. So,
Oh, you bought shorts?
I bought shorts.
Hey.
I think it's gonna be hot. I don't know what the fuck is. I just imagine we're gonna be on stage in front of like 1 million people doing jokes like, "Hey!"
There you go.
They'd be like, "Are you DMX?" I'm like, "I'm not."
I'm not. I'm just wearing camo shorts.
Are you guys the Lucas brothers? Like, we're not.
We're not.
We're not. They're
We're
actually
not
very cool,
twins.
but no.
We're
Like,
not. They look alike. They're
and we
twins.
don't know that much about Richard Nixon, but they do. So check out their stuff. They're like, "Who are you?" I'm like, "We're reverse Eric Andre and Hannibal."
Yo,
Like,
get it?
get it?
I'll pull my dick out if you want me to.
Bird up.
That was whack, man.
Shout out to all the people we've mentioned.
Yeah.
We're still working on that Marley and Me remix
That's right.
reboot with Crystal. You know what I'm saying? We got a green lit.
That's right. It's gonna be so lit.
It's gonna be so good.
It's gonna start Airbud the Pitbull.
We got Lena Waithe. She's writing it. It's gonna be very good. It's gonna be very touching. You find out that Marley was abused before he came into people's lives.
Oh shit, bro.
Grew up in a hard part of the Shy.
Oh man.
Damn. Seen good dogs before him die in Cabrini Green.
Damn, B. All dogs don't go to heaven, B.
That's right. Some dogs were in heaven before they died. Now they in hell.
Oh, yeah. Damn, that sounds like a Ghostface lyric.
I mean, don't forget, in like some places in China, they eat dogs like Popeyes. So.
Yeah. No, isn't there like I'm not even like. Isn't it like a festival in Thailand where it's like, yo, we about to eat these dogs?
Yeah,
Like,
people eat
like,
dogs regularly. Shout out to Sean Casey. It's a vet. It's a animal rescue place in Brooklyn, and they recently brought over a bunch of dogs from Korea that were going to be eaten. And like they're letting people adopt them and stuff, which I think is kind of shitty because like if you're like a New York dog waiting to get adopted, like whoa,
Yo,
whoa, there's a line,
hey,
whoa, they taking our jobs and our homes.
America first,
build that wall,
MAGA,
roof.
make the kennels great again.
Wow, we're gonna build a wall. Who's gonna pay for it? Just bad dogs with MAGA hats.
They're all golden retrievers.
Bitch on free, you took my job.
Yo. Fucking Chihuahuas work for nothing.
They're lazy. They're using chain migration.
They're having an anchor litter.
Oh, man. You know, that's how it happens. They have 9 babies. Then those 9 babies have 36 babies. Then those 30, I don't know.
You know how it goes.
And then dog years. And then, whoa, what was that? Did someone knocking at the door? Is that the post office? Who's that? It's the mailman. Is the only presidential candidate interrupted by the sound of a fire truck. He's like, and I tell you, I will put a pot on every.
So scratch out the floor at the podium and shit. Like,
He's
what's
like, that's
there?
why I like him. He's down to earth.
Yeah.
He scratches like me.
Yeah. He's one of us.
He just stops the speech and lick his balls. Everyone's like, yeah, he's the man of the people.
That's a real dog. Yeah.
He's like, yeah.
We support him.
Usually I lick my balls in Trump Tower. Now I'm in Philadelphia licking my balls because I'm a
Listen,
man of the people.
I could lick my balls in front of a guy on Fifth Ave and nobody would care.
You know, crooked Hillary never licks her balls.
Maybe because she doesn't have it.
Russia, if you're listening, give me Hillary's balls. I need Hillary's balls. Yo, it's been episode 106.
That's right, you
No
cowards.
Park. Yo,
You know what I'm saying?
I'm saying catch me and Mero performing live at Nigka Pon.
Yo,
it's been Desus Vice. Woo. Young Chipotle, Peaklessly Fat Like Cheerio, Chris That's Sling Dick, Eli Litby, Butcher Go, Stubber That Might Know You, but Young Day Party, Young Hot Take, DJ Fuego, Mr. Nando Durando, Mikhail Nove, 1994 in New York, Mikhail going off the Juve boss, MC Luka Gumpi, pulling up from 40 with your shorty. With your shorty. You know what I'm saying? I'm looking you in the face.
Like,
I'm kissing her on the cheek and I'm pulling up from 40 with your shorty.
Yeah, nigga, do something.
Think about that.
Do
I
something.
dare you.
I dare you.
Do a Cardi B song about
Who
how it
brought
hurts.
you home? How you turn blood?
Hey, don't talk to me in the open pool. I don't know you. The original +1 got +1, so don't make a fuss, son. These is Rossi and the Jamaican dude. Jermaine Avocado Toast. Young Pa. The Ghost of Mufasa. Young Chuck Coonery, the Coonery. A.K.A. Chili Limon. Left-handed reliever for the Yankees. Get okay. We're going 162-0 this year.
That's right, Papi.
Vice Game Akuzaka 3-Phone Jones. That's right. One of them is not an android. Jesus X Machina. Jake Chuckles. Stanley Cuffs. The Human Dr. Behind the label. Dilute. One more time.
Diluted.
Leonardo DiCaprio. Mr. 240p because I like my Pinot.
Yeah. Is that a butthole or a
I
vagina?
can't even tell. DJ Woolite, aka listening to Watch FM. Up next, we got 4 hours of Vida.
Oh, shit.
Taking it back to Murder Inc.
Whoa.
Days. It's murder. The Curry Goat, the Jesus Spicer, Jamal Hasburn. Bronx, Celine Dion, Ray nephew, the Moreno. You cannot contain them. Don't even try. Do not go into that little container where you have all your Tupperware.
No.
You're going to try to find some Tupperware to put Moreno in it, and the lid's not going to match.
Do not go to Container Store and be like, yo, do you have any Moreno containers?
They're going to throw you out. And I'll be right there and I'm like,
How
you can't talk like that in 2018. Sorry. See? That's what happens when you vote for a golden retriever. The Human Women went to Ja. Young Aaron, the racist provocateur. Henry Bud Cross. Nelson Bangdella. Sergio Can't See Me. Vladimir Buffin. The Human Murderers melting in your mouth. Mr. Bex on Deckenton. Ricky Tiki Squabby. Greg Popovich. If a dog was president, he'd make it like a death penalty to throw the ball but not really throw it.
Yeah.
Like, enough is enough.
You psyched me out too many times.
For too long, constituents been psyched out. We're going to get tough on it.
We're going to get tough on psyching out.
Or say it with your chestnut, Mahatma Gandhi, not Maccabee, but I got the cucumber. Yeah. Let me
Pretty
get
fresh
juice in
press.
anything. The juices are pressed, but your boy never is.
Very,
on the little
very
card that
never.
says, "Do you want to be pressed?" I was like, "No, my juices, but not me.
not
I don't
me.
want the turn down service. I am the art, damn it!" Ah! The Dundada Ganoush, no more cup of noodles. The Prince of Peckham, the Fashion Nova Casanova, William H. 10, 5 cent, 10 cent dollar. Forget the small change. Big money. Yeah, we love party big girl on the stage. Go on stage. 300 pounds and better. Yes, right. Let me lift up your foompa. I rent it out for $2,000 a month. The only anthem I salute is Dipset.
That's right.
Mr. Saga, catch me at square one top left. Mrs. Marv.
Yeah, don't cheese me, bro. Free Jewels.
How many mans went bad on me? Can't trust people now. True Rizzuto. Holy cow, I'm at the money
cow.
store. Mr. Softpaws, all I do is count checks and jerk off.
That's right.
We got OJ, Purple Stuff, Soda, and on the back, who's that?
Oh.
It's me, Sunny D. David, you're man. DJ Spencer, Jesus Red Bottom, Jesus Bloody Shoes. Don't cheat on me. Smoking no. Andrew Coonanen. What's up? Who got the poppers? Let's make it happen.
Yeah.
AKA the Energy God. Come sit down, put your phone upon me charger.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Wine pan the cube.
You know what I'm saying? Let me get your battery up. Mr. Chopping that street easy with a bad breeze like I'm easy. Please believe me. The Black Asian addict, crack your back like an automatic crap addict. Mr. La Marina, Mess Marina with fresh misdemeanor and a cold demeanor. AKA your who? Problematic babe. Let's make some mixed kids and put them in Gap ads.
Hey, nice.
That's a life plan.
Yeah. Yo, episode 106, like he said, no park, you know what I'm saying? Because I pay for parking now because we got guap.
Park on street,
you know what I'm
know
saying?
it
I don't give a fuck, nigga. I park on the hydrant, paid the ticket, nigga, throw that shit in the garbage. It's your boy, the Kid Mero, a.k.a. the Human Durag 5, a.k.a. Curve Gotti, a.k.a. Donovan McDab, a.k.a. Triz Khalifa. You know what I'm saying? A.k.a. Skirt Loader, a.k.a. I'm a fucking baby, a fucking man, my nigga. A.k.a. check the guest list again. I'm on it right next to B.O. Fuck you mean this is a baby party? He no fucking baby, my nigga. A.k.a. CC Dab Bathia. You know what I'm saying? A.k.a. I bought Mero Jr. a $800 Lego set and helped him build it in 2 hours while on 79,000 milligrams of THC. Why, nigga? Because I'm the fucking dad of the year. A.k.a. Bitch Smack Me on boy. A.k.a. Digging your baby Motombo. I will be, this pussy is mine now. You know, come in this pussy no more. That's it.
That's it.
You bought forever. A.k.a. Barlow Santana. So smooth. I fall asleep at the wheel and crash the Geo.
Again?
Oh, my God. That's why I bought a Geo Prism. You know what I'm saying? They can take their lumps. Okay, this is been Dykeman Daddy, dame duro, bajando duro, dímelo, papi, que lo que. Okay, Romeo Santos, so zany. Let me find out. Okay, Lightning Tachi. Hello, is it weed you're looking for? I can see it in your eyes that you're broke ass and got 5. And you don't even got a nigga that you call in your phone. You don't even got a plug. You don't even got a gas man, bro.
What are you even doing?
What are you even doing? It's 2018, bro. Like, niggas, yo, you get niggas on Twitter for bud, bro. Like, niggas selling ounces on Instagram, you fucking worms. AKA Tom Brady, your girl got my balls deflated, nigga. But I might still make the Super Bowl again. Regardless, aka Phil the Ass and I want to explore your cosmos, man. Aka Brian Al Messi, MVP of Gelato, aka Zaniel Bedingfield. I gotta get some sticks. I gotta get some sticks. That was my only hit. Aka Joe Hookah. I dare you to smoke with me at Mama Sushi. And nigga, if you see me at Nail Lounge getting a fucking pity, you don't know me. Let me drink my Bellini in peace, nigga. Aka Ben Boston. I replace your fucking tibia in your foot with mine so you could walk a while in my shoes and feel my pain, my nigga. You understand? That's why I gotta buy $30,000 plates, brother, because I've lived a hard life. My hands are gifted, and they will go straight across your motherfucking mouth for talking spicy. AKA, I'll open your medicine cabinet. You know who it is, boy. It's the Sandman. AKA Rico Sabroso, AKA Baby New Purdue for 5, AKA Nino Brown, shut the Carter down, AKA The East Stream on Stevie B, live at Hugh Grant Circle at Parkchester, doing all his greatest hits. I wanna be the one your DD is sucking.
You gotta get tickets for this.
Dopey love, come back to me. AKA, pull it from 40, it's your boy, Barmelos Anthony. Bang! And straight from across the pond, mate. You know what this is, man. It's not grime. We're taking it back to the rock days when we was real rock stars, mate. It's the plantain supernova in the sky. One day you will find me smoking weed on Tremont with my jail wallet full of contraband.
It's important.
You know what I'm saying? And also, by the way, if you see me at Target using my hands to eat goober grape out the jar with my eyes redder than the devil's dick, mind your fucking business. Approach me like an Ursine mammal, dog. Especially if we're Cubs, dog. You know what I'm saying? I sold fake lean to your favorite rapper, my nigga. He's super duper duper high off fucking keyboard cleaner and Angel Mama syrup right now. He's talking about like, yeah. I take it all. I'm like, yo, did you say any words? He's like, nah. Yo. Hasan.
Shit.
Hasan, tírame la pista. ¿Qué lo que? Dímelo, montrólogo. Llegan a la verdadera grasa. Llegaron los niños malos, matando la liga. Tú sabes qué es lo que es con nosotros, mami chula. En la tarima estamos vivos. Deja el palo más y compra tu boleto ya. Shout out a Luisito Severino de lo mío personal y Adelín. Mi arma, tira para adelante. Yankees 28, motherfucker. Let's go.
Okay, enough here.
Papi, what happened?
Whoa. Why are so many Dominicans in this room?
We're just having a good time.
No.
We're just having a good time,
You guys are
papi.
over capacity
No.
over here. 1, 2, 3, 4.
Papi.
Whoa, no.
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 No, I'm good.
Hassan, cut the music off.
No, it's no.
27
Papi,
rings.
the super.
1, 2. There's too many hookahs here now for the bitches. What's going on? Close it down. That's enough. Episode 106. We're done.